Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain the Amazon Echo Show 21 device setup and installation process. Watch the complete video. Let's start. First, choose a perfect location for the Amazon Echo Show 21 device placement. Always keep it in a place where anyone can easily access this device. Now, plug in your Echo Show into an electrical outlet. Within 2 minutes, the display will turn on and Alexa will greet you. Now, in the Amazon Echo Show 21 device, you need to choose your preferred language. Then, choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and type the Wi-Fi password for the connection. Now, log in your Amazon account. Accept the terms of use and then select your time zone. Now, select your location and tap on Continue button. Type your device name and choose the wallpaper. Now, tap Continue to finish the connection process. Your Amazon Echo Show 21 setup is now completed. The configuration process is very easy by follow the on-screen setup instructions. During setup, you'll connect to the Wi-Fi so you can access Amazon services. In case of any trouble for the setup, or you need our help to configure your Amazon Echo Show 21 device, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.